52 REC panels, 2 Tesla Powerwall 3s, and 1 old gas station. Here we go, come along for the ride. Really exciting day at New York State Solar Farm. In this video, we are getting the first step of our new solar system on our roof. CED from GreenTech Renewables is delivering our material. Ken, our driver, should be here any minute. So today's the day. It's a cruddy, rainy Thursday outside, but it couldn't be a better day to get our material delivered, to start the process of getting our PV system on the roof, as well as battery storage, which we've never had before. And in our previous videos where we did Lightning Express down the road from here, the #1 feedback is, why didn't you guys put battery storage on this project? There was reasons for it, but in this video, we're gonna be putting solar and battery storage on our office here at New York State Solar Farm. So we're waiting for Ken to pull in any minute. He is the coolest delivery driver we've ever had in all of our years of doing solar. And yeah, stick along for the ride. And in this video, the first step, we are getting material delivered to our office. So our delivery just got here. We're gonna put the material over here, maybe some over here, but Ken is our driver. He's based out of the CED Connecticut branch, so you'll get to meet him now as well. And he could tell you a little bit about CED and also himself, which is pretty cool.
There's your paperwork.
Awesome, thank you, Ken.
So glad that it's not. I'm like, on my way here, I'm like, please don't start pouring on us. Like, of course on all the days, right?
So the other cool thing that Ken brought for us, Ken, can you explain that ramp again, the Tesla ramp?
Yeah, so basically this Tesla ramp attaches to the box, and then it's basically like this, and it'll come down. It's a long pole, and you can just slide them off. So you're not lifting it up,
right?
Which is...
So Ken is letting us try these out. Yeah. It's like a new Tesla ramp system.
Correct.
For getting the power walls off of the trucks and the vans. So we're gonna, we're gonna try that out.
In this situation, if they're double stacked or triple stacked, that way you're not trying to lift it up just to put it on the ground.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Can you just say a little bit about what GreenTech Renewables is? Because like just an understanding, like from a customer perspective, what you guys are.
We're a distribution company that supplies you with all the solar needs that you need and want.
Yeah.
For anything solar, we can get it for you guys.
But the difference is with GreenTech Renewables, because we worked with a lot of distributors over the past 10 years, is Ken. Ken is the difference.
Customer service, that's what it is.
Absolutely kills it.
Customer service.
As well as Rick, who's in the office that we see here and there. But dude, Ken is the biggest difference. It's so rare that you could call your delivery driver and say, can you add another Powerwall to our order? Because a job got approved by a permit. So when you think about from a customer standpoint, Ken, we're the customer of Ken's, but then Ken helps us out deliver for our customers on short notice, getting material in, and
And it just shows that GreenTech, whether it's from the bottom or the top, we do it all.
Yeah.
We do it all.
No, that's awesome.
And that's what it is. Our customers are our most important thing.
For sure.
So.
And most of the time, we get delivered to the warehouse.
Correct.
This week, Ken was like, since we're installing at your office, let's just bring it there.
Right.
So
absolutely.
We'll never usually, 99% of the time, the material is going to our warehouse, getting on our trucks, going to the homeowner. But in this case, we're just going to leave it out here. And I
figured make it easier. That way you don't have to load up your trucks and bring it over. So
it's awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you, Ken.
Absolutely.
We wound up using for our office are the ones that we use on a lot of our customers' homes, which are REC 460 watt panels. And the reason we're using those is because since we're using them on most of our customers' homes, when they come to our office, to be able to see exactly what they look like is going to be key. And another thing that we're doing is we've always had solar on the back of our office. You could see the rails there since we took the old system down. But we're also going to put solar on the front of our office, so at the busy times of this intersection, people could see the solar panels and what it looks like. So last but not least, coming off the truck is this Tesla lift. Each of the Powerwalls weighs around 300 pounds. So being able to get them on and off the truck easily and also lifted off of the ground easier when mounting them is going to be key. We bought the Tesla lift for the Powerwall 2. So this is another custom lift that Tesla came out with for the Powerwall 3 that we're going to try out.
So also what I was looking at, one of the biggest differences is with the lift compared to the Powerwall 2. So the Powerwall 2, when you attached it to the lift, you use a ratchet strap.
Yeah.
These have bars.
Really?
That you connect inside the Powerwall, and it just holds it in place.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right? Is that not a lot better? Because I'm like,
yeah.
Oh my gosh, like to have the ratchet strap.
Yeah.
No, pops it right inside the Powerwall 3, connects to the sides.
Oh, that's sweet.
You're right.
It's just intimidating looking how big these boxes are.
I know. Yeah, seriously. That's why I did my research on them, and I'm like, all right, let me see exactly what these are all about, like what's in every box, because you're right, it does. It looks intimidating. Like, man, these are huge.
I'm like, how are we gonna get this on the truck?
Yeah, right.
So this is the rail that we use on all of our customers' homes. This is XR100. So Ken is dropping this off to probably one of our competitors. Look at the difference in size and quality of the rail. What's this one?
10. It's an XR10.
XR10. So it's just for a little extra money to get a beefier rail, so it's not flexing on the roof. Or
because, like, I mean, you can see that bend. Like, the bend of it, you can't bend that one like that. There's a little flex, which you're gonna have, but...
And it's like, yeah, the weight is on the top, but still, the durability of this rail is so much better. Just a little layout. REC 460 panels, we have 52 of those. XR100 Rail, 34 of those. And Powerwall 3s, 2 of those. So it's a little drenched, we don't need it, but on every project we get like a little bill of materials that we ordered. So another thing about this project and why we're able to use the Powerwall 3s, because you're not in a lot of commercial applications, usually you can't use Powerwalls. And the reason being is because it's 3-phase. So this is an old gas station. It has 3-phase with a high leg. So you can see our old system with the 3 SMA inverters on it. Our utility wanted each phase of the 3-phase balanced. So that's why we have 3 SMA inverters that are the same size. What we're doing is converting our office from 3-phase to single-phase. So Central Hudson came out already, approved that we could do that. Our electricians are going to work with them in switching our service over to single-phase 400 amp service, and then we're able to use the Powerwall 3s on our office. So this being an old gas station had car lifts in there. They needed that 3-phase back in the day, but right now this is our solar office. The biggest draws we have are the heat pumps, and then also the car chargers, the Tesla universal chargers, as well as the Ford charger that's in front. All the material is staged. Ken's all packed up, and we've got everything. So next step is going to be the install. Signing out with the best delivery driver in the industry, GreenTech Renewables, Ken. And we are not sitting around. That's the God's honest truth.
Right. I love it.
All right.